Hello sir, myself J. Manasabindu from ECE department. I am pursuing BTech first year. My holding roll number is 234Z1A0472. Now explaining my topic is advantages of array. First of all, advantages of array, some topics are there. Efficiency of memory usage, random access, easy iteration, data organization, data type, dynamic memory allocation, familiarity with arrays. Now explaining what is an array. First of all, definition of array. An array stores a fixed size order of collection of elements, the same types of elements. An array is a homogeneous with a similar type of elements. There are several types of an array: one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, multi-dimensional array. Syntax: data type, array name, size. For example, int a of 5. Here int is a data type, a is array name, 5 is subscript. Two-dimensional array, for example, subscript is 2. Introduction to the advantages of array. Arrays are a powerful data structure in programming. They allows to store a multiple values of the same type in a single variable. Arrays provide a several advantages that makes the essential in various programming tasks. Arrays are a powerful data structure with easily understanding to programming. Next, efficiency of memory usage. Arrays allow from efficient memory usage by storage element continuous memory location. This enables quick access for and retrieval of an array element using their index. Memory is allocated for arrays in a single block, reducing memory fragmentation. Array is a main important of index. Memory is allocated for arrays in a single block, reducing fragmentation. Its memory location is continuously in array. Random access. Array support random access, meaning we can access any element directly using its index. This allows for fast retrieval and modification of elements regardless for their position in the array. Random access is particularly useful when working with a large data sets or performing search operation. Arrays support them are random access, meaning we can access any element directly using its index. Easy iteration. Iteration means repeated. Arrays provide a straightforward way to iterate overall elements using loops. Loops means for loop, for example, for loop, do while loop are there. By incrementing the index, we can easily access each element in sequence. This makes it simply to perform operations on every element of an array, such as calculations and are there. Arrays provide straightforward. For example, int a of 5. Memory allocations 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So it's so straightforward. Next, by incrementing the index, we can easily incrementing, for example, for loop I is equals to 0, I place I less than. So arrays you can use programming to understanding there. This make it simple to perform operations. Next, data organization. Data organization. Arrays are for efficient organization and storage of related data. Arrays allows a organization means it can store a related data. Array is, for example, array of 5. You can store a data. By grouping similar elements within an array, we can easily manage and manipulating them as a whole. This is especially useful when working with collections of objects when implementary data structure. Main important data structure are in index are there. Data types. Arrays can store elements of various data types, including integers, characters, strings, or even objects. This flexibility allows for the representation of complex data structure and relationship. It enables us to create multi-dimensional arrays or arrays model more advanced of data. First, data types can store elements. For example, int, char, string are there. This flexibility allows representation of complex data and relationship. You can, for example, int EC B or 70, you can store a data. It is a memory allocation. You can easily identify to the array. Dynamic memory allocation. Arrays can be dynamically allocated, allowing us to change their size as needed. This flexibility is particularly useful when dealing with unpredictable or varying amount of data. Dynamic memory allocation ensures optimal memory usage and prevent wastage. And we can arrays allocation ensure optical memory usage. You can wastage are not used in programming. Arrays can be dynamically allocated. Static means int a of 5 you can store your data. Dynamically, for you can use a for loop, you can dynamically allocate that. Familiarity with arrays. Arrays are widely used and understood by programs. Most programming languages have built-in support for arrays. Being familiar with arrays allows for better collaboration. Arrays understood by programming then easily. Most programming languages are there built support of for arrays. For example, matrices, addition, sum are there for using arrays easily to understand by program. With all programming arrays it too easily. Conclusion. Arrays offer efficiency, memory uses, random access, and versatility. They are easy to implement and flexible size. Arrays provide efficient sorting and searching algorithms, support multi-dimensional structure, and are widely used in programming. First, arrays are offer efficient memory usage. Straightforward arrays are straightforward. We can data structure with memory allocation, random access versatility. They are easy to implement in flexible size. Arrays provide efficient sorting and searching algorithms. Support multi-dimensional. Multi-dimensional means they are one more subscripts. For example, matrices are there, and so on. Thank you.